Welcome to our university, our guests. Just a couple of slides to remind you of our beautiful campus site. I know here are many architects and maybe interested in our design, and some of you have already visited our nice places designed by some unknown designers as Alvar Aalto. And we are actually also, I don't know if you knew that we are the first site that we received the European Heritage Label in Finland. We are very proud of our campus and it's worth visiting. I think at the end of this day, we can do the little campus walk when we are finishing the seminar and going to the dinner. I think you don't mind doing that. Some numbers of our university: 6 faculties, nearly 15,000 students, plus we got the biggest open university in Finland. So we have a big student population as a whole. Also nearly 3,000 employees, 900 researchers, and we are quite international. Not so, but still, you can see it also from our group. We've been working with the education since 1863. Jyväskylä was the former seminar, the first seminar for teacher education in Finnish language in Finland. And so since then we've been strong with the education and psychology. Then we have humanities and social sciences, information technology, business and economics. And then we have the only sport and health science faculty in Finland to study sport and health sciences, and then mathematics and science. These are our faculties. And our research is also very much focused on learning, teaching, and interaction, also with physical activity, health, and well-being, and so on. You can also follow us on social media if you like. And then Tiina was saying some words about the Finnish Institute for Educational Research that is hosting this seminar. And we are a multidisciplinary independent research institute at the University of Jyväskylä. Our mission is to serve the society. It's not only the research, but to help the decision makers, as Tiina commented, our director commented earlier. And we might be quite famous of conducting this kind of studies. So this is one area that we are strong. We do many other things, but some of you might know PISA. So the PISA studies are evaluated, the Finnish part, at our place. Okay, and then we started from University of Jyväskylä, Finnish Institute for Educational Research, and then our group in particular, we are Innovative Learning Environments Research Group. And you can see we got many projects going on. Actually there, at the entrance you have our poster. We try to list all our ongoing projects. That's why the poster is full of little text. But you can see that we are working with many different topics. But we are focusing on the design and research of learning technologies and spaces for enhancing learning and well-being, basically. Some of my colleagues are more focused on, for instance, in the STEAM education, and so I'm more focused on the physical learning environment aspect. So this is the innovative learning environments. Here you can see our team members. Maria Kankaranta is here, and she's the one that started with this team. Thanks to Maria, we have innovative learning environments research field. And then you can see our quite international group of participants. Let me see who are here. I think, well, Josephine, she's our new member, just defended her thesis and is working with us and helping us with time today. So please be strict. That's the first position when you defend your thesis, you get timekeeper. Oh yeah, okay, let's run. Yeah, maybe 3 minutes and then okay, now I lost my 1 minute. This is how it goes. And then Takumi Hada is here from our group. And let me try to Jukka Sinnemäki is here from our group present today. Samuel is here, and somebody else I didn't know this. Or yeah, and we are so international that like half of us are somewhere on board on Japan or so they are probably. I hope they are able to be online when they wake up or before going to bed because of the time difference. Okay, so this is our very international innovative learning environments team. And then this seminar in particular is related to our multidisciplinary perspective on learning environment design project. I noticed I have very few minutes left, but this is the Team Finland Knowledge Program coordinated by the Aalto University, Department of Architecture. Pirjo Sanaksen-Aho is here with us. And as a partners, I'm one of the partners. And then we got Paula Cardellina from the Universidad Ort from the Uruguay here as well. So welcome. In this project, in this collaboration, we aim to facilitate multidisciplinary and international perspectives of learning and environment design. We document good practices, manage new forms of cooperations, and the idea is to work together to imagine the future learning environments that consider all our cultural, economic, and social particularities. So these are the objectives. And the activities, we have short teaching visits between our countries. This is what is taking place at the moment. We are developing open source course materials. This is taking place because all these presentations will be recorded to be used for educational purposes. We organize hybrid seminars. This is one. We document good practices. I hope we do that also here and there. And then we organize different events to share these outcomes. And I think this is also one. I think we do at least 4 of these activities today, plus good practices, which is constant. Please go and scan, if you can, this MultiLED lecture series, because we are very proud that we've been able to produce the videos from last autumn are there. So please go and have a look, because I think they have potential. If you are teaching, no matter whether it's architecture or education, go and listen to them when you're driving in a car and think whether you could use it as an educational material with your students, maybe in a blended learning that they watch a video and then you have a discussion and so. But I think we have a great collection of experts, and today we will have another set of experts. So this is going to be a powerful thing. Time is up. Oh dear, and I know you are. I promised that you can be strict. So this is the presentations, and yeah. Later on, I can give you the possibility, and then here in Jyväskylä, we created. Well, actually, Tamas, he is also presenting himself later on. My colleague in this project, he is using these materials in 2 different courses. In Fortham Digital Academy, which is international, and then the Language in Learning Environment, which is a local course in Jyväskylä. So they are already in use, and hopefully they will be also elsewhere. This was I'm not breaking my own rules, but so I'm just showing, because I wanted to tell you the news that in addition to all this until now, we just got in the beginning of May this new Nord Plus funding, and we promised in the application that this is going to be the opening seminar and a launch for this project. So I'm very happy to have also many participants here and online from that project, and they are also here. Markku and Sari and Sari has already done her presentation. It's in YouTube, but Markku and Raya and Siv and Colin, Wesley and Julia at least, and Pauli is not, well, yeah, they are doing their presentation today. So you see the synergies, everything is all in one package. Maybe I skip this, but this is about the multi-professional Nordic collaboration between researchers, municipalities, and private companies and consultants. And we are also piloting the impact of learning environments in collaborations with the Australian team. And the Australians will come in the afternoon. They actually flew from Sweden this morning, and they are taking the train. And as soon as the train is here, they are with us to give the final keynotes today. So this is how it goes. And then we have this book launch. So maybe you saw in the entrance, we just got this new book. This is in Finnish language. So if you speak Finnish or you are interested in learning, go and take one copy to yourself. It's also online to study Finnish. Hopefully later on I want to have at least English and Spanish translations to start with, so we can discuss that. But this is a nice thing with Maria and Takumi and Hyökö. She's not here today, but we proudly present that as well. Okay, scan me if you want to see the program, but I think you got the program also on paper, so you don't necessarily need this. Good. And then let's see what is there in the program. Oh, it's me continuing. So now I think I have only 5 minutes to my other presentation. Thank you, Tiina, and welcome, Tiina.